So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a faucet here at the kitchen. It is a cross faucet, or Kraus, and this is provided by the homeowner. You can see it's the KPF 1610 in the stainless steel. And so that's the package that came with it. There's the faucet. So nice mounting system. It's got the large nut with the two stainless steel set screws, and so it went together real nice, and it's a real sturdy faucet. Underneath here, we replaced the garbage disposal as well. Not replaced it, but reinstalled. This is existing disposal. So the flange came off the old sink, disposal came off the old sink. That's the existing arm. The only thing that we've done in here is get some new putty in there. So up in here, we got new putty. So that flange is the mounting bracket is sealed, or the flange, the basket strainer portion of the mounting bracket there. So that's sealed, and then of course it's mounted and tight. And then we did put a new hose in, just a short piece of 7/8 discharge hose. Reason being is you've got the discharge line from the dishwashers coming in and needs to be on a high loop. It's not code, but to tie it into the disposal, they require a high loop. And like I say, Fresno, I think California, just in general, that's not code. But that, that's the only thing we have to do to tie in here. That was their option to eliminate the air gap. So it's tied in. We're gonna get a bracket back there and screw the part of the discharge hose up against the cabinet there so it doesn't flop around, and get that going. Down here we've got a tubular extension, tubular P-trap tied into existing piping to 1.5 inch schedule 40 ABS 22-degree offset fitting there. Behind there you got some offsets coming up vertically, and that's not coated either. And I asked them if there's any drainage problems. They said no. So not much you can do about that. I'm not sure why they put the drain so low, unless for some reason they tied into a clean out or something in the wall. I just don't know. All I know is it's stubbed out very low, and then they've took 245s and come up. So that's not our work. That's our work right there. The new pipe, the 22, the adapter, the trap, and the extension. So that's all tied in. We run plenty of water down there. It's all dry, so everything's holding. And then the shutoff valves, they're two of them at least are specific to the home. On the hot and cold, you can see the discolored valves back there on the hot and the cold side. And so those are, none of these are ours. Even the new one right here in the front on the hot side, that's not ours either. But we've worked on the plumbing here before, and the galvanized pipe is not in real good shape. We've gotten into walls and things have snapped off, so we didn't even offer to change these out. They're not leaking, so just leave them alone. You got to work on the house. I mean, sometimes it's easier just to go out to your well or a point of connection and get it shut off out there as opposed to doing it in here. So, anyways, the only work we've done is the faucet, and those supply lines, the water supply lines, are integrated into the faucet, so those aren't ours. And so, garbage disposal, trap, extension, discharge hose, faucet. Outside of that, this installation is done.